Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you a practical step on how to make a simple female purse. This can be used as a souvenir. Here are the items we'll be needing for the purse. This is our zip cloth. You cut out the one you'll be needing. This is the zip head. This is our leather material. So the measurement we'll be using for the purse is 10, the length 10, the width 9. So this is it. 10 by 9. This is the zip cloth. So when sewing it, make sure you leave a portion of the zip cloth so you can be able to insert your zip head. The next thing is to top stitch it. You open it up. You top stitch it. To secure it, you top stitch. And this is it. After top stitch. So we insert our zip head. This is our zip head, we insert it. This is it. We trim out the excess part. So this is it. And you can make yours bigger. Isn't that lovely? You can present it as a souvenir to your guests. You customize your name on it or your picture on it. Isn't that lovely? If you find this content useful, please don't forget to follow. Don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share. Thank you.